couple of days ago I posted a video cooking ramen or ramen noodles. In my quest to find the ultimate size pot, I ended up, as you know, I have this Titan kettle. This is the Toaks 1100, same diameter, just a little taller, about 1 inch taller. Anyway, this was successful. I did have a little mishap where I didn't cut the flame down. My wife accused me of letting it, didn't control the flame, so it boiled over. So what I'm gonna do, I cut that and edited that part out of the video, but I'm gonna put it in now just to give you a start on what happened to me. Oh Lord, this is about to, oh Lord, it went burnt, it went over on me. This pan, this not big enough. This is a bust, honey. Other than that, it was this seems to be the pot that I'll be taking with me on the AT. Now, I didn't have this one. I had ordered it. This is now a 1350. Toaks 1350 with the lid and the handles. And it's a little, see, it's a little, the diameter is bigger, but it is a little lower. But it's 1350 versus 1100 milliliters, so it is a little bigger, and I'm going to try this particular one. Now, if you noticed earlier, I did show in my cupboard at home, I just went around very briefly and collected up all the different kinds of ramen noodles that's in my house. Now, this is the one I'm going to use today. And of course, I was looking at the instructions again, and they all seem to use the 500 cc's except for this one. This one says 500 milliliters. So, of course, the 500 cc's, Google comps it out to be about 16.9 ounces. So, this Nalgene bottle is a 32 ounces, so I put in this little bit over 16, and of course, it does come to 500 milliliters. So it's milliliters. I don't know why they use cc's. That's cubic centimeters. I think doctors, I always associate cc's with pills and shots and things like that. But anyway, it's 500 milliliters. And I'm going to go ahead and attempt to cook these noodles again. All right, here we go. 1350 milliliter Toaks pot. 500 cc's. that sounds strange, even by foreign standards, using cc's, but nevertheless, that's how much water it is. It's 500 milliliters. Let me crank it up and we'll get this thing boiling. Alright, we'll be back when it finishes boiling. I've got bubbles forming in the bottom, so I'm going to go ahead and put the seasoning in. Oh, get out of here. Damn bee. Oops. See, I can still see some whiteness, so they're not done. Okay, this is going to conclude this video, and it does look like the pot actually is the right pot. A 1350 milliliter, Toaks 1350 milliliter seems to be the exact one for boiling these noodles. But I still think for bulk purposes I'll probably take this 1100 and deal with it. So thanks for watching.